Alright guys, out here at Atkins Nursery, Fallbrook, California. And I want to show you something ridiculous. Look at that. That is a mango tree. Believe it or not, look at the size on that. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, let's get up close. Take a look. This is crazy. This is one of the biggest mango trees I've seen here in Southern California. Look at the trunk size on it. Oh my goodness. This is a legit tree. Wow. Wow. I feel like I'm in Florida or India or Cuba or Mexico, because that's the size the trees get out there. Believe it or not, this is Southern California. Ridiculous. Look at all the fruit on it right there. Look at all that fruit hanging. It'll be ready in a few months. And if one wasn't enough, there's like 4 or 5 of these. Look, there's another one right here, right next to it. It also has fruit. This is crazy. These are like 25, 30 feet tall mangoes. Look at this one. This is beautiful. It has nice red leaves. Nice red leaves. Here's another one. Massive size. Beautiful tree. This is like, look at the trunk. Complex trunk. This is how you want to do your trees. Low branching like that, open. Amazing. Whoever planted this tree knows what they're doing. And you can tell these guys have been doing this for years. By the way, they're a nursery. They sell lots and lots of different kind of fruit trees. Oranges, annonas, apples, stone fruit, avocados, mangoes, white sapote. They got it all. Look at that. This is crazy. Oh my god. Man, I'm in heaven. Oh wow. Enormous mango tree. It's not supposed to be like this, because look, we're in a desert climate, but they did it. We're in the desert Mediterranean area, and mangoes are subtropical tropicals, but with a little perseverance, these guys made it happen. By the way, these are all Cherimoya trees. All Annonas. Let me show you a fruit. Look at this thing. Really good fruit, really tasty. There's more up there. Amazing. But those mangoes are unbelievable, beautiful. To my left is a Cherimoya orchard, some kind of Annona orchard actually. Amazing. Over here is more Annonas. This is like a food forest paradise right here. Amazing, beautiful property. Wow. This is a longan tree or a lychee tree, one of those two. It's massive. I didn't know the trees get this big here in Southern California. This is amazing and very inspiring. Huge Annonas. We got a palm. Massive avocado trees over there. Massive Cherimoya trees. This is awesome. We got a little mango tree in the ground. This thing is just endless. I think this is a Reed Avocado. This is the biggest Reed Avocado I've ever seen. Whoa. Let me get up close, show you guys some fruit. Oh yeah. There we go. Where'd it go? There's some. Whoa, man. Really cool. I knew they get big. I didn't know they got this big. There's some more fruit right there. I knew, actually, you know what, Reed? If you look at all the literature and everything about Reed avocados, it does say this is their growth habit, tall and lanky. Look at that. It's like a straight up, almost like Christmas tree like. Whoa, beautiful. That's gotta be 30 feet at least. This is awesome. This is a Carambola tree. Starfruit. Oh my god. Another starfruit. This is the biggest starfruit I've ever seen. Whoa. This is a 25-foot starfruit tree. Carambola. Oh my God, look at this mango. Mango, oh, man. Hey, we came to the right place today. How about that? Look at this. Big mango tree. I don't know the variety. Let's keep walking. There's Cherimoyas all over the place. I was about to slip. Enormous avocado tree. Enormous. Whoa. My God. I think, oh look at this. This is it's either a lychee or a longan tree. One of those two. We got mangoes in the ground, fruiting. Looking good. Tamarillo vine, I believe. Guavas, more avocados. This is an endless food forest. Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven right now, guys. This is beautiful. More avocados. This property just keeps going and going and going. A lot of fruit trees and pots they have for sale. This place exceeds my expectations. This is crazy. Guys, hang tight. I'm going to show you more, alright? I found a huge Barbados cherry. Enormous Barbados cherry. It's like easy 12 feet tall. This is really inspiring. I'm going to push my trees to try to get this big. This just shows you what's possible out here. Stepping on a lot of mulch. A lot of mulch in the ground. That's the difference. I think that's what keeps these trees looking good, is all the years and years of leaf layer that's on the ground right now that I'm stepping on. Wow. Oh, this is the huge avocado I passed by earlier. I'm heading my way back. This property is massive. It just keeps going. And yeah, you could just spend all day here. Whoa, oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Look at the avocados on that. Let's get closer. Okay, whoa, it's a lizard. Judging by the leaf shape and size and the look of the fruit, this is a Nabal avocado. And it's the biggest Nabal avocado I've ever seen, if it is. Whoa. Oh my God. Yeah. This is what a lot of avocado farmers keep for themselves, this variety. They sell the rest and then they keep this for themselves because this is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best avocado that you can grow out here in Southern California. And the reason why they won't sell it at the stores is because look at the size it gets. That's just too big for the grocery stores to handle. This is amazing. Look at that. And look at next year's fruit coming up. Beautiful. Let's keep walking. More mangoes. Cherimoya, we got bananas. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that mango tree. Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Oh man. That's 25 feet at least. And there's fruit. Whoa. Man, this is heaven. I should have came here earlier. Enormous tree and very beautiful. Cherimoya. We got a Cherimoya on the ground. This is like $5 on the ground right here. More mangoes. Cherimoya. It's a forest, guys. Look at this. Endless rows of really nice fruit trees for sale. Let me put this Cherimoya down. This is insane. Whoa! Are you kidding me? Another mango tree. Let me turn around. Look at that. Guys, this is the size that mangoes get in the tropics and subtropics, but we're out here, we're in the desert. See that? This is desert climate. Mediterranean climate. And we got mangoes out here looking like we're in Cuba or something. Whoa, beautiful. This looks like a different variety from the one over there. This is incredible, man. Beautiful tree. Another 30-footer, 20. We got Annonas over here, avocados over here. A lot of the varieties are unmarked actually, so I don't know what they are, but they all look good. They're all grafted, looks like. And let me try to see. Nope. Yeah, but I do see it. No, this one's not grafted. Anyways, it just keeps going. I could spend all day here. I've already been here a few hours actually, but I keep finding new stuff. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. I like the soil that they use. This is actual soil. It's like sand and mostly sand. A little bit of other stuff, but they don't use like wood chips or you know, organic products that go into the soil and can cause rot. I think these guys know what they're doing. I could tell they've been doing this for a long time, so they know all the tricks of the trade, of course. And they have anything and everything you can want out here. This is amazing. This is my first time here, and I'm kind of stunned. This is a sugar apple. Sugar apple. We got stuff everywhere. I'm gonna look around more. See if I see anything interesting, I'll show you guys. But everything's interesting, really. But see if anything stands out here. All right, guys. Jabuticabas. Jabuticaba. See. Jabuticaba trees. They just did a harvest. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try one. Es bueno? Oh my god. That's really good. It tastes like a grape. And it has a crunchy skin. That's good stuff. And look at the size of this tree, guys. That's a massive Jaboticaba. Again, the biggest I've seen in Southern California. This place is winning. That's like 25 feet. Amazing. Oh my god. Another huge macadamia nut tree. Look at this white sapote. Oh my god. Let me get up close, show you guys this enormous white sapote. Look at all the fruit on it. Heavy, heavy producer. Big time producer. A lot of fruit up there, you see? Look at that. Big boy. Big tree. Old growth tree. And now we're in the nursery part. There's a bunch of, looks like white sapotes and annonas in little long pots. I can't take it out. Cherimoya, Annona, and then a bunch of herbs and succulents. Macadamia nuts. Look at that. That tree right there, that's a rose apple. I think it's called wax jambu. I might be wrong. That right there is rose apple though. It's beautiful. And they also... ¿Cómo se llama?
Rosa.
¿Rosa? ¿Manzano? ¿Manzano a rosa? Sí, sí. ¿Es amarillo o rojo?
Es amarillo.
Amarillo, sí. Sí. Look at that. Rose apple. Beautiful, beautiful tree, man. Look at the flowers. Let's get up close. Wow. There's some tiny fruit up there. Looks nice. These are white sapote. I thought they were limes, but now I get closer, then they're white sapote.
What are they?
White sapote.
What's that?
It's sweet fruit, really sweet. It has a texture of avocado, but like really sweet.
You just cut it and eat it?
Yeah, it has to get soft like avocado, and then it's really good. Look at that. We'll buy some of these. Alright, so I just talked to the guy that works here. He said they have even more growing grounds on another property. So this place just keeps going and going. I wish I lived closer to here. I'd be here every day just hanging out, because this place is, and I've said it so many times in this video, but it's worth saying again. This place is awesome and beautiful and amazing, and they sell fruit. You can buy seasonal fruit. They even sell mangoes off their tree when it's in season. So I know when I'm coming back to get some farm grown mangoes in a few months. And yep, here's some more trees, guys, all different kinds. Thank you for watching as usual. Bye.